What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. And today we're going to try something a little different. We're going to try to do some vlogs. This will be day number 1. And today's Monday. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it. First, we got to clean the house up a little bit. And then I think we're going to head on down to the gym and get a little pump in. And I'll check back in with you guys. Just a little side note here, I am married, that's why the bed's so fancy, so don't come at me in the comments. We got all the house chores done, got the beds made and everything like that, cleaned up, took the dogs out, and now I think we're ready to hit the gym. So if you guys like this content, make sure you go ahead and give us a like, give us a subscribe, let me know down in the comments what you want to see. I know previously we've made car content, trying something a little different. I'm gonna try to hit up every day, be posting every day, so hopefully we can build a good following. And yeah, just make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you like this content. I appreciate it.
Young rich, you know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, bitch, yeah, dot. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Woo, 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 woo. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a cool. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Woo. Beat the whole walls loose. Hop in the frog. Woo. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear it's under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. They rose on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule.
Alright, now we got our little workout done. We did about 30 minutes, just a little pump, getting the blood moving and stuff on this Monday. But I think this is where we're going to end off the video. So if you guys like this content, you know, giving us a like and a subscribe would be greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys have any Toyota Tacoma aftermarket parts hookups, let me know. I just got this 4th gen, this 2026 Tacoma, and right here, and we want to do some mods to it. So I'm thinking like some lights up front, you know, maybe get rid of this big beefy exhaust back here. That's very unnecessary. I know they make a little drop down, you know, clean up the back end a little bit. But yeah, we want to get some aftermarket parts going on this thing. Maybe make a little build on the channel, and hopefully you guys will watch and enjoy that content. So yeah, let me know down in the comments. And then we want to thank all the vets, first responders, and everybody. Thank you guys for everything that you do. Hopefully everyone comes back home to us safe. And yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.